and we must pay that price. That's the only reason, because we underestimated Liverpool, a dangerous team with a dangerous manager who knows how to win the league. But now I want them pressure on them, because a lot of Liverpool fans don't want to say that now. They're feeling the pressure. A lot of them are saying, oh, no, it doesn't matter if Klopp doesn't win a league title before. Because I'm thinking, oh, shit, have some shame, man, really. Your manager is one of the greatest managers. Like, literally.
Is that why you...
So I see them that I think they're scared. They're fearful. You know, when you're fearful, you don't want to be favorites. Yeah. So no one wants to take that bat and say, yo, I'm going to win the league. No one wants to say that. Yeah. A lot of people, Liverpool fans don't want to say, I'm not going to win, because they're scared. It'll come back to bite them, because Man City are there. Arsenal chasing us. That's the problem. Hussam doesn't believe. Hussam believes Arsenal will win the league. He will come third and I'll come second. Hussam believes Liverpool come third. I get shocked. I believe Liverpool or me are winning the league. I'm looking at Liverpool's results. Every single Liverpool results. I'm praying for their downfall. 1 or 2
What's
games.
the order? What's the order? From first to
Arsenal third. Arsenal third. And it's experience. You don't have a manager who's done it before. You don't have players who've done it before. You're in unknown territory. PTSD from last year. Bro, it's mad. Think about it. In March, when you're going to play Tottenham away, Man City away, you're playing us on Sunday. Bro, it's PTSD, bro. Imagine you're a player on that pitch. Oh, shit, man. This is the game. The players, can they handle that pressure? And if you lose, yeah, it becomes massive, because Bayern next. Yeah, it's tough, bro. Bro, it's stress. But Hussam can just say, I got Aston Villa at home, then I got this little team, and then I got Benfica. They don't play Bayer Leverkusen in the final. They're not going to play Bayer Leverkusen in the final. You're going to have to play me. You're going to play Bayern Munich and then Real Madrid. Or me.
No, I think no.
Northside, I said it. Yo, when going gets tough, he's nervous. Because why Northside? Northside, ask yourself, has he won a league before as a player? No. Has he won a league as a man? No. Has he been there before? Yes. And guess what? He didn't win it. Yeah, he got knocked out with Sporting. So against Porto, I thought, hold on, this is a completely different side to Arsenal. Arsenal are very nervous against Porto. You played completely. Your manager was nervous. He was scared on the touchline, because do you know why? He doesn't look to show that leadership. I've done it before. You know, Pep Guardiola.
I don't think he knows Hamza. He's only learned the football that he learned under Poch. As soon as he comes up against a team that he has to change the system, he doesn't know how to change the system. At the start of this season, we changed to a controlled way of playing football. It didn't suit us. People wasn't convinced. They were asking for a striker in January. These are all valid things, and we didn't get a striker. The bench, when we're up against Porto, which is phase 1 Champions League, nobody from the bench can affect the game. The first leg, we make 1 substitution. Second leg, we still need to get it over the line, even though Trossard scored. We're only tying in the draw. He only starts using the bench in the 80th minute. What does that tell you of how he thinks about his own bench?
Yeah.
If you're not using the bench when you're trying to win a game, when you're going to use the bench? But when we're dominating games, he uses the bench early. Early substitutions. When we're blitzing Sheffield United, bench, come on. Early. 50th minute, 60th minute, everybody comes on. Yeah. But the thing is, with my fan base, because we're winning, they don't want to talk about it. That isn't a gun match. The bench is not good enough. We've got bums like Fabio Vieira, bums like El Nene on the bench.
Yeah,
this is the bench that you created. Get me over the line then.
That's it. There are red flags about Arteta. There's things that he's done amazing. But listen, the problem is a lot of your fan base don't like criticizing. I've come out there Northside. I said it to my fan base. I said, yo, when you go into a job, you do risk assessment. You say, what? It's true. I need to do a risk assessment. What's going on? Yeah. If something doesn't go wrong, why did we fail? Why did we fail in getting the things in place to make sure things are smooth? So in terms of us, I said to my fan base, we didn't replace Gundogan from beginning. I was onto them. They said, no, we got Bellingham. Oh, we wanted Declan Rice. I said, no, but we have to have a plan C, D, whatever it is. What about Calvin Phillips? Why was he still there? We knew Pep didn't want him. Why did we keep him in the club? Now we're tasting what the problem. But the problem with Arteta is a lot of fan base from Arsenal don't want to criticize him. They want to say, We were not there before. We were not there before. He stayed, so we can't cuss him. Yeah, but there is level to this game. Sometimes you say, listen, I'm a big club. I'm expecting trophies because I've seen it before. I've seen it before. Arsenal fans, you've seen major trophies. You've seen going to teams and winning and beating teams in big games. You've won it at Old Trafford. Yeah, when you won the league title in Old Trafford when they needed to win it. Yeah, you've seen it. So when other fan base they downplay, no, it's okay, he's doing a good job. I don't like that mentality. That's a loser mentality. That's victim mentality. Arteta has to deliver the league. He's been backed. The red flags are there from signings. I've always said signings. I question his signing. Harvard 70 million. Is he the guy to win you major trophies? Be honest. I don't know.
But Hamza, they'll say Hamza, but he scored for Germany the other day.
This is a problem. That's a problem. This is a problem. He's not a player to get you the league title. He's not the top player to get you those guys. There's no doubt about it. If I said to you, would you swap Kai Havertz for Isaac, a Newcastle striker?
He's a better striker.
He's a better striker than Havertz. There's no doubt. So there were players there that you could have signed to get you to the edge. But I love that fact Arteta wastes money. Fabio Vieira is not a good quality player. He signs players who are not that good enough. I'm sorry to say that. City got rid of Zinchenko for a reason. Yeah, is he that good? Do you think we'll get rid of Gabriel Jesus? Gabriel Jesus didn't get me a Champions League. So Pep said, yo, you're good, but you're not that leader to get me that top game.
Yeah, he was a sideman. He was a sideman in your team.
I would never have won the treble with those guys. Never. Without Haaland, without all these guys that I've got, leaders. Arsenal lack leaderships. Except they've got Declan Rice, but the rest of the kids are not inexperienced, and he doesn't have the experience. He doesn't bring the experienced guys. That's the red flag for me. And I think a lot of Arsenal fans back him because of how he is as a manager and what he's done for Arsenal so far. No, but guess what? Look what he did it last year. Whoa, yo, Arsenal bottomed it. It's the worst bottle job ever, no matter what. So this year, he has to deliver. He spent nearly 700 million. He has to deliver. We have to be honest. Me, I tell you, Northside, I'm a City fan that say, there's two types of City fans. City fan, Martin's a great City fan. He will say, oh, if we don't win the league, Hamza, it's not a failure. It's no collapse. I say, yo, don't lower that standards for me. And once I'm in the couch, I'm eating nice. I don't want to eat bread again. I don't want to eat 1-course meal. I'm eating 3-course meal. I want to know you're sport. I said, I'm sport. Yeah, call me sport. I want to stay here. That's the mentality of, Madrid and all that stuff. That's the reason they always stay there. They always want to win. They don't make excuses. That's the mentality. City, because we're there. I want the Premier League again. I want the fourth one. I want the Champions League. Give it to me. If I don't get it, I need to know why I didn't get it. Who are the frauds that did not make me get this? I want them out of my club. Does that make sense? I want them out of my club. I need to deliver that because my football club has been winning league titles. The day you start lowering your standards, look what Chelsea is.
So, you bought